Oke, untuk kegiatan hari ini kamu bisa lihat soal mobil. Saya mau ajar satu teman Nepal satu yang baru belajar bukan baru belajar, tapi dia mau bawa mobil. Terus dia mau tes bawa mobil tuh, tes untuk cari dapat SIM, cuman dia tidak tahu bawa mobil. Tapi dia sudah lulus itu, lulus tes tertulis. Saya dia minta saya untuk ajar dia bawa mobil. Jadi hari ini saya pergi ke dia ke tempat kerja, jemput dia baru mau bawa mobil, tes.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Left. Oops. Nice. And then keep going straight. Ready to go to the main road?
I think so.
Okay. And then
Not on the freeway though.
He's ready to go to the main road, so
I'm ready.
take right over here, Liberty. Man, I hate the sun. Nice. There is Popo. Keep going. Keep going. Huh?
Now I know where we are.
Yep. Look at him. What do you think now? Do you think you can pass the class? Pass the test? Maybe?
I'm pretty confident. Yeah.
Alright.
What do you think? You're
yeah.
the one judging me.
I think you're ready. You can go book the appointment.
Yeah.
Yep. And then
But what's like some of the things I can improve? What do you think? What you've seen?
no, it's just basically you can drive. It just thinks that it will automatically improve when you start driving, you know.
Right.
It's not that you're a bad driver. It's just not. It will take times.
Right.
So I don't think there is anything that you need to.
So you think I'm ready?
Yeah, I think you're ready.
Oh, sweet, dude.
Like the braking, then just get confused with the road. I think that's normal. But once you driving more, it will be easy.
Sweet, dude.
So maybe a couple more driving, maybe 2-3 times more, and then
Should be good.
maybe next Friday.
Yeah, dude, let's do it.
Next Friday you can book the appointment in the morning. We can go test. Okay, so Timo, I think he's gonna pass. He's doing really good. Kitong sekarang we are on the main road and he's just driving. He drives really good. We were at the Jalan Kecil, but now I'm confident that he can drive. Now after he passes his test, we'll take him to highway, but not before he passes his test. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. What would you say to the viewers?
Stay tuned. Next video, I'm gonna have my license. So yeah, stay tuned and subscribe to Eric. Let's go. MaiseniTV.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Amakane MaiseniTV, dude.
Yeah. Alright, kamu sudah dengar, don't subscribe.